Hello and thank you for watching this video. I'm Mark from Mr. Clever Clean, and here's a demonstration of how we clean your roof. We gently scrape all the moss off using our hand tools, and then we apply a soft wash recipe which sanitizes and gently cleanses the roof and kills all the microorganisms including moss spores, lichens and anything that's basically growing on your roof. What this means is it breaks the cycle of growth, and over the next few hours the roof colour starts to come back. The great thing about soft washing is the roof will continue to clean itself over the next few months and years, and typically remains clean for at least 4 to 5 years, and longer depending on Mother Nature. This photo and video was taken just 2 hours after the clean had taken place. As you can see, it's low pressure, so no high pressure equipment's used. This means there's no damage to your roof tiles, and also you don't have to seal the roof. Here's one of the pieces of equipment we use called the Clever Injector. It makes sure that the chemical is injected at the correct percentage. And our technicians are trained in all aspects of soft washing roofs. If you'd like to know more, then visit our website at mrcleverclean.co.uk for more information.